Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some camera tips and tricks on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Now of course, let's go to the camera. The first thing that I want to show you is some setting in the slow motion. Of course, this mode itself is not really unusual. However, what is pretty cool is that we can change to 240 FPS. However, there's also a drawback, unfortunately, because if you set the FPS to 240, only the HD resolution is available, and if we switch to 120, then we have full HD instead. And another thing that I want to show you is in the video mode. And what is cool about this smartphone is that we can record videos in 4K. So over here at the top we can tap this FHD. If you have it set to FHD, then you can tap on it in order to switch to 4K, and now we can record videos in 4K resolution, which is also pretty great. Another thing is the macro. So for instance, if you go to photo, in order to use the macro, we can tap on this flower icon next to zoom options. And if we tap on it, then we will, of course, we can then use the macro lenses macro camera for taking pictures of really small elements. And in addition to that, we can also go to settings over here, and we can enable auto macro. So when the camera detects small objects, or macro objects actually, then it automatically switches to the macro camera. So you can turn this option on if you want to use it. This is really cool as well. We also have some photo filters. So if you tap on these three circles on the right side, then you will find some filters that you can immediately apply to your photo without having to, use like a post-production app or something. So that is pretty cool as well. And the next thing is the scanner. We can use the scan mode in order to detect documents, and then we can scan them and we will get pretty much the whole document on our device. It works pretty well. I cannot really show you this in this video since I don't really have any document, but you can trust me on that. It works pretty well, and you should definitely try it out just to see for yourself how good it is. The next thing that I want to show you is the 50 megapixel camera. So in order to use it, we can switch to more, and then we can find the ultra res mode over here, which of course uses the 50 megapixel camera. It is pretty cool. We can also tap on information over here in order to find some more information about this mode. And while being in the more section, we also can find, for instance, the time lapse. So if you couldn't find the time lapse, then this is where you can find it. You can also adjust the time lapse speed by tapping on, let me actually go there over one more time. You can tap over here on the right side, and here you can adjust the speed to 4 times, 8 times 16, and 32, which is pretty cool as well. And let's go back to the settings. There are also 2 more settings that I want to show you. If you tend to do lots of photos, like lots of selfies or photos of other people, then you might want to go to capture method in the camera settings. And then over here you have 2 really good options. We have the gesture selfie, which allows you to take a selfie when you show your palm. And you also have the auto smile capture, so when there is a smile detected by the device, it takes a photo, which is really great. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.